Yeah, I'm stumped too. You probably don't think of your refrigerator as making noise the way your other appliances, like your clothes dryer or dishwasher, do, until that noise becomes impossible to ignore. But as the old prank call goes, your refrigerator is running, and to catch whatever's making it hum, rattle, or groan, you're gonna need to do some troubleshooting. If your fridge is brand new out of the box, or if you haven't plugged it in a while, the noise could simply mean that your refrigerator is just getting acclimated. Wait a few days and let it adjust before resorting to other methods. A loose drain pan in the bottom of your fridge can also cause a rattling noise, so make sure that's firmly in place or use some tape to secure it. Now, don't freak out with this one, but it could be the compressor. A loud buzzing noise might be the death rattle of this part, and you'll probably need to call a pro to replace it. First, locate your fridge's coils. Some are in the front and others are in the back. In this case, we'll pull the refrigerator out from the wall and unscrew the back panel to get access. Use a vacuum to suck up all the debris. Then, just replace the back panel. Hopefully that saved you from a pricey house call from an appliance repair tech. But if you don't feel comfortable doing this task on your own, or if cleaning the coils doesn't quiet your fridge down, don't be afraid to call for backup.